Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about exercise snacks. Ever heard of an exercise snack? Okay, so you hate to exercise, right? Don't we all? Can't go to the gym for an hour workout, all that kind of stuff. Well, think of the following concept. Here's some interesting research for you. Dr. Gibala at McMaster University in Canada thought, let's challenge that thought. He took 27 men, average age 27, and had them do 10 minutes of exercise 3 times a day, of which they just did a burst for part of the time and then minimum exercise the rest of the time. 20, just a little bit. Turned out they measured the same amount of somebody doing 50 minutes. Same benefit, same effective energy. That was interesting. After 12 weeks, there was no difference in the two groups. So he tried that again, make it a little shorter. He took inactive young adults to do a 20-second sprint bike effect, pedaling as fast as they could go. Repeat that 3 times a day. Follow them for over a period of time, and son of a gun, same effect. After 6 weeks, their cardiac fitness improved like 9%, whereas control group that did longer, 13%. So not completely the same, but close enough. That basically gives birth to the concept of an exercise snack. So he published in Medicine and Science Exercise Reports, he published the 20-second, 3 times a day brisk exercise. Something all of us can do in our office, at our desks. We can stand up and do deep knee bend, stair stepping. You can have a cube, you can step up and down. You can have a little Rubbermaid stair stepper. You can just take the stairs at work and go up 4 flights of stairs. 3 times a day, 20 seconds. You get almost the same benefit as an hour at the gym. That's an exercise snack, and that's something all of us can do. This is Dr. John Whitcomb for News and Nutrition. Thinking about the extra weight on your waistline from the COVID-20 we've all gained? Try it.